And here we are with case number 8904990. I would like to demonstrate the issues with this particular microwave. There's a cup of water in there, but first, if you look at the control panel, I'm going to turn the fan on. Listen for the sound. And I'm going to change it. It remains on high, it doesn't change at all. And then off one more time without my vocals behind it. Okay, and now I'm going to start up the microwave. What I want you to listen for is the initial sounds before the whole thing cranks up and gets going. I'm going to hit 1 minute, the minute plus, and just listen. Try it again. Again, listen to the first 2 or 3 seconds. Now that was less than the last machine that we owned, but that should give you a pretty good idea of what's happening here. And now it's working fine and relatively quiet.